This morning we are going to learn how to conjugate a verb in imparfait. It is relatively easy, you'll understand. The only aspect which is complicated is that you have to know the present tense of that verb with nous. That can be complicated because present tense has got a lot of irregular verbs, and especially with the nous, you should have already learned it. Let's take the verb venir as an example. In present tense is je viens, tu viens, il vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent. So with the nous, it is V-E-N-O-N-S. You chop out the O-N-S and you got the root that you are going to use for the conjugation in imparfait, and the root is V-E-N. To this root you add A-I-S when you put the verb with je. So the pronunciation is je venais. Tu, same thing, tu venais. Il, V-E-N-A-I-T, same pronunciation, il venait, elle venait. When it comes to nous, the ending is I-O-N-S. So make sure that you pronounce the I clearly in imparfait. Nous venions. Vous veniez, N-I-E-Z. And il venait, A-I-E-N-T, elle venait, same thing. This will apply for all the verbs except one. And that's the only exception. It is the verb être. For this, the root is not derived from nous. It is just E accent T. To this E accent T, you add AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AINT. So if you want to hear it once, j'étais, tu étais, il était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient. You should watch out also with verbs ending with GER and CER. In present tense, it's nous commençons. The ending with the C, the cédilla, ONS. That is the root. Basically, you're going to see why. Je commençais, ending C, cédille, AIS. Tu commençais, il commençait. When it comes to nous, that cédille will disappear because I is a soft vowel. You don't need the cédilla, so nous commencions, vous commenciez, and the cédilla will come back for the third person plural. Il commençait, elle commençait. Follow this for all the verbs ending with CER.
Kids that growing up in basements, online a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized can't.
If you take a verb ending with GER, let's take the verb déranger, to disturb. With nous, you have GEONS. The E will be kept for je, tu, il. Je dérangeais, tu dérangeais, il dérangeait, elle dérangeait. When it comes to nous, the E will disappear because I is again a soft vowel. You don't need the E. So the je sound comes automatically. Nous dérangions, vous dérangiez, and il, elle, pluriel, G-E-A-I-A-N-T. Il dérangeait, elle dérangeait. This is not an exception. It is a phonetical rule involving soft vowels and hard vowels.
We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah.
In French, words ending with T-I-O-N are pronounced as sion, the ending. So you have attention, publication, information. But in imparfait, when you put T-I-O-N-S with nous, it won't be sion, it will be tion. Nous étions, nous escomptions, etc. Well, that's all. The conjugation is as easy as this.